Hi, this is Aaron. I have another example of some of the work I've done, which down the road we will go get into more detail and I'll dissect it and analyze it for you in other videos, so please subscribe so that you'll be updated. Pretty much, this is a credit card that we were having issues with fuel theft on. And what I would do was take our 169 transactions in a week, copy them, paste them into the spreadsheet I created, and then I would launch the macro that I created. Now this right here is doing about 6 to 8 hours worth of work and doing it in a consistent manner so we can double check everything. So there you go, 6 to 8 hours worth of work done in no time. And our department was 1,500, so I can exclude all those. And so all the other departments that had purchases under our department cards are flagged right off the bat. Um, Unleaded versus diesel or anything in the system, we would have an unleaded purchase, but it was a diesel card, so we would select that. And the others, and highlight those guys off the bat as well. Um, Our guys work Monday through Friday, so any Saturday purchase, yes, it's going to be flagged. Of course, I would manually go through and just double check the locations of the purchase. Our guys did work 5, 6 a.m. until uh, 5, 6 a.m., so anything outside of that could get flagged as well, which that is there. And then I would highlight everything or filter everything I highlighted, and that gives a report that I can take to my boss. So out of 169, there are 46 discrepancies that we had to go and look through. Um, yeah, it made it a lot easier. We went from a full page, within a week of launching this, we went from a full page, 40, 50, 60 discrepancies down to 5 or 10 a week that we would have to go through and double check. This guy was created probably in 2011, 13. And yeah, it saved us a lot of time. It cut down in discrepancies. It did get me to the, sorry, cell phone. It did get me to superintendent, taking me to the director, taking me to the executive management to display what I have done. It even had our audit team come down and review it so that way we can implement it statewide throughout all the company. Anyway, thanks for watching and subscribe because I will make more videos showing dissecting this one as well.